friends, Miss Ashley with the Crystal Lake Public Library here showing you how to put together our August Youth Take and Make Jellyfish. You will register for this program on our calendar. You can do that at the service desk in the library, by calling, by going on our website. You'll go to the youth services desk and pick up this, which has everything inside of it you need to make your own jellyfish. And it includes instructions, set of eyes, some yarn, and a plastic cup with some holes punched in it. So the first thing you want to do is put your yarn on it. So you want to go ahead and fold a piece of yarn in half. So I'll just match the ends up, fold it in half, and then I'm going to stick the yarn through one of the holes like this, and then I'm going to take the ends and pull them through the loop, and now it's attached. And I'm going to go ahead and do that with all the remaining pieces of yarn. Okay, now that I have attached all the pieces of the yarn, I'm just going to stick the eyes on. So I'm going to pull off gently the backing, and I'm going to decide where I want to place my eyes. I think I like them right there. And I have a jellyfish.